Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews. Guys, today I bring for you very cheapest thing. This is one, you can say, smartwatch or smart bracelet. It's a very cheap smart bracelet. Its price is only just $5 to $6. We will unbox this one and review, check what is inside and how's the function of this smart bracelet. So guys, it's a 116 plus large screen smartwatch or smart bracelet. You can see there is mention in display 1.3 inch display which support 240 by 240 resolution TFT screen. So this is the configuration of this smart bracelet display, 1.3 inch 240 resolution, and its Bluetooth connectivity is 4.0 Bluetooth. Today in markets, so almost everywhere 5.0 Bluetooth using, but in this price range you cannot ask for Bluetooth 5.0. so in $5-6 you are getting 4.0 is also enough. So its charging interface is USB. You can direct put this smart watch or smart bracelet in your mobile charger, so it will getting charged. Its charging time about 2 hours. After 2 hour charge it will give you 3-4 days backup. This one also quite good. Its strap material is TPU, means it's a thermoplastic material. It's a combination of rubber and plastic, also good, not bad. It's available in different color, as you can see, red, purple, blue, green, black. So 5 color available, you can choose any one. I will give you this product link in description. If you like this one, you can buy through that link. So let's open this one and check what is inside. We found, inside we found this is black color bracelet, one bracelet, and one this manual instructions which is in Chinese and English. It's manual in Chinese and English. So in $5 you cannot ask more thing. So this is the strap which is TPU material. So this is the smart bracelet. You can see already on. I remove this plastic cover. After you can see this one. So like this way you can install strips. Just push and it will go inside. So like this way you can install the strip of this bracelet. It's a not full touch smartwatch, it's a just single touch smartwatch. So first we will talk about this specification. So its specification is so its belt size almost 35 to 43 mm and width is 12 mm, weight just 37 gram. Screen display is 1.3 inch screen display, and its screen resolution is 240 by 240. Its battery capacity is 90 mAh lithium battery, which will give you almost 3-4-5 days backup. Also, and Bluetooth version is 4.0. as I told you. Its connectivity distance range maximum range is 10 meter. It means your device and this smart band within 10 meter. Charging current very small, just 50 mAh charging current, 3.7 volt battery, so you can use any your charger to charge this smart band. Let's talk about its features. This device has multiple functions to meet individual needs like heart rate, motion monitor, sleep monitor, call reminder, alarm, waterproof, and Bluetooth transmission as well. In just $5-6 they are giving too much things, so don't worry, you are saving your money. Also the time date display function also available, step support, calorie support, distance support, sport support, lift up support, sleeping monitor, telephone reminder, message reminder, alarm reminder, photo support, anti-loss support, multi-language support, and heart rate support, blood pressure support, blood oxygen support. So too many things hai in this smartwatch. so don't worry you are losing anything. So now first we will check how to charge this device. This is the sensor for measuring your blood pressure, oxygen and heart rate. I will show you how to measure your blood pressure or oxygen or heart rate. You need to press and hold. After the sensor activated, it's mean it's measuring. When you wear this device, it will measure and show you, but this is not for medical reference. This is for only for your information. It's not almost right 100%. So function of this device, as you can see, there is different displays. Anyone which one you like, you can adjust that display. After display, step function, this is measuring tool, this is sports function, this is your notification function, this is the setting, this is the camera. You can take selfie as well after connecting this smartwatch with your device as well. This is, you can find your device if you keep somewhere, so you can also find your device with this bracelet as well. Very good function also available in this bracelet. This is the function for power off. You will go setting. After you can find here this off button and also model information. So just you need to press and hold. After your device will be power off. So like this, power off your device. Now we will check the charging of this device. For charge, you need to remove strap. After removing, you need to put this area in your charger. I will show you. Like this way, you need to put your watch in charger. After it will start charging. You can see my device is in charging mode. Like this way you can charge this smartwatch. So our device already charged. Let's I show you how it's look like after wearing. After charging, you need to put back this strap into watch. How it's look like after wearing, I will show you. So guys, in $5 to $6 you are expecting more. So I don't know what they will give you in $5. Hope you are enjoying the video guys. Kindly before going support me, subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends as well guys. So guys, after wearing, how this device look like, I am showing you. I already wear this device and you can see it's looking very good also in $5. So nobody can guess. It's look like very expensive watch or bracelet in your hand, and it's also good for children as well. If you like to give someone gift, also for gifting, this very good in cheap price. Also for your kids, very good tech gadget for kids. This one in $5. This one you can give to kids as well. So guys, hope you enjoying the video. If you enjoy, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends, and keep supporting guys. See you next video. Stay safe, take care.